Hey guys, it's Shannon. Today I'm going to be reviewing the NEWYES Smart Reusable Notebook. But before we go ahead and get started, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe and turn on post notifications. I would also like to give a huge shout out to NEWYES for actually sending out this product and giving everyone a 15% off when you use code NEWYES15 off at checkout. But other than that, let's get started. So taking a look at the box itself, on the front you can see that this is a normal notebook at the same time with features like waterproof, reusable up to like 500 times, what is actually pretty amazing. And it's definitely a different type of notebook, what you can erase with a wet microfiber cloth, a hot eraser, so like a hair dryer, or also just using an erasable pen. And the way you also share and save your actual notebook notes is by taking a photo using this app that can either just scan it or change it into text for you if you want to put it on your computer or something, what is really cool. Now also looking at the notebook, when you take it out of the box, it comes with the notebook itself, obviously. The pen, what is an erasable pen, and that is the only type of pen you should be using. Otherwise, if you use a normal pen, this will not be a reusable notebook. It also comes with page indicators and little sticky notes what you can use over here, and the actual NEWYES microfiber cloth. And I'm actually glad that they actually included this, because it's a little thing that a lot of companies might go over and not include, but it's a cool thing that they did, so then you don't actually have to go and purchase one yourself, and it's already included. Really nice. So looking at the actual notebook over here, it says NEWYES notebook and it has a pen holder to the bottom, so it is actually pretty cool. Now, it has a bunch of instructions on the first page saying which app to download, how to use the notebook, and how to scan and share it, what is pretty cool. The notebook itself are lined pages for half of it, and then the other half is dotted pages, so if you want to draw. And it all has a little section for putting the date, the number, what was the weather, and all of that, what is actually pretty cool. And like I said, you can use drawings on the other half of it, what is pretty cool, so you don't only have to take normal notes, or whether this just be like math calculations or something like that, depending on what you are using this notebook for. The notebook itself is like really smooth to actually like turn the pages, and that is definitely great, so you won't ever have problems on that side. Now, the pen itself, like I said, is an erasable gel pen. What is really cool, it is obviously branded NEWYES, and towards the top you actually have the eraser, and when you open it up, it has a nice little rubber little texture, so you can actually feel and have that grip when you're actually writing. Now, writing with the pen actually feels really good. It's smooth and nice, what is always great to know, because the pen does matter. But if you don't like this pen or need new ink or a new pen, you can always go ahead and buy one erasable pen, obviously, or multiple, and still use it with this notebook. Now over here, I'm just writing a little bit on the actual notebook itself, and I'm going to show you different ways to erase it. And one of the first ways, after just normally writing out whatever you want, like over here I say, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Also make sure to go ahead and subscribe. And also, yeah, so over here, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use the normal erasable pen portion of the actual pen, and it erases just fine. I prefer actually using the wet cloth or the hair dryer because it will be a lot quicker and a lot smoother. But this obviously works because if you want to erase a letter or two or something you messed up, this is one way to actually go ahead and use it. But the other way is actually by using a cloth. And over here I have wet the NEWYES microfiber cloth, and it erases so quickly, and it's actually really helpful just being able to erase it in one go. Now, it also may leave a little bit of residue, but you just go ahead and clean it out. That's just because of the water, or just dry it out. But it works perfectly and you don't even see it. And like I said, this notebook itself can be reused for around 500 times, what is really good. So you won't really notice any markings until probably you get above 400 uses or something, and also depending on how hard you actually press. But like I said, this notebook is waterproof, and I'm not sure if you actually want to be using it in water, like in a rain situation, because that may end up making you lose all your work. But not only that, is the pages are actually made out of a different material. It isn't the same. If you actually go ahead and feel it, it feels very different from a normal page, kind of like a plastic page. Now, something that would go great with the notebook itself is this NEWYES wristband, what is kind of like a today list or like a to-do list, but for today. I don't know why I said today, but yeah, like the thing is over here is you can write down using an erasable pen again, and this is a reusable wristband. But if you just go ahead and use it, it actually works perfectly fine. It's really good, and I think it could really help you get organized. Maybe using your notebook and this wristband would be a good combination. Now also, on the other side of the wristband, there is a ruler. So this can come in handy when you're using that notebook. You never know when you might actually need a ruler. And it also comes with its own little eraser because, again, it has to use an erasable pen also to make sure you get full use of the actual wristband. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did like the video, give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure to go ahead and subscribe and turn on post notifications to see exactly when I post a new video. Share with your family and friends, and I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video.